free your mind.
Okie dokie, so I thought I'd do a few of these coasters today, these round ones here, like a compressed MDF. So I've just put some gesso on top of them, I put a little skirt around them. And I've got turquoise, burnt umber, cadmium yellow, and there's a titanium white there as well. Okay. So in each of these 4 little cups, I'm going to be putting colours in. I'm going to start off with the burnt umber. I'm going to do them all at the same time. You can see the different colours will come out. The burnt umber, and this lovely cadmium yellow. Silicone oil in. This stuff is very thick. Just get it in drops of these sort of leaks out. So that's 3 drops each. Turquoise. I love the way that turquoise and burnt umber work together. These cups I've got here, the graduated, the ones what I got from years ago. I don't know if you can see them there, really. There's all graduated lines there, so you can vaguely see what you're pouring in there. What I used to use for resin pouring a long time ago. Well, resin work, should I say. Each one of them. I'll use this little stick to set them all up, just slowly. That's just to mix the treadmill oil in there. Sorry, my teeth aren't working today. This is just some greaseproof paper I've put down. Because I did have a silicone mat and it's totally running now. The resin for some reason soaked through and it's just ruined it. So I'm just going to use this stuff. I should just do each one at a time. fake torch. I can see I'm going to need to mix the resin, need to mix the paints a bit more. Just put these over here, I'll get some piece of paper. There's number one, which you probably can't see. There we are, it's there. Now I'll do number two. This time I'm going to stir it up a little bit more. The colours what I have in these sort of squeezy bottles have no silicone in, so I just add the silicone when needed. Oops. Popping a few bubbles here. Just pour the rest of it onto here, all the excess. As I said, I'm going to have to stir it a little bit. Leave it a couple of seconds. This one's much better with the cells. I actually don't bother too much about cells these days. Maybe I've got over it sort of thing. But it's like a thing of the past now. The final wire. Not forgetting to give it a stir. You can see them all now. We just show you that one we've just done. That's what they're looking like at the moment. I'm going to leave them a few minutes, then come back. So these are the finished coasters. I will be putting resin on them later, so I can use them. As I said, I like the turquoise with the burnt umber. Then add yellow into the mix. And it's just one of the perfect combinations for me. Oh, you like them too?